Venison is one of his favourite, but I'll let him open them if he does. Go on then. These are from a very good friend of ours, and he's I think there must be a bag split in there. Oh, what is it, Sherpa? Yeah, there's a bag split. What is it? Is that nice? So yeah, what's he got in here? He's got the he's got the super treats, the venison super treats. And he's got the cheese sticks as well. Oh dear. No, Sherpa. Do you want one of them, do you? Go on then. Boy. Yeah, go on. Feet one's off now. How annoying is that, eh? Do you want me to help? Come here. No, you're not one of those. You got it? Hold on, wait. Right, wait. Right. You got one. Hold on, back up. Sit. Okay. First of all, thank you to who sent the venison sticks. Double high five for them. Oh, look at the state of this. Hold it. Let me just take one out, you fool. Hold on. Oh, for God's sake. Come on, help yourself. That's it, we're done. Stop. That's it. No more. Yet. Right, well, that's disgusting. Look at the state of this. Look. Right, okay, that'll do. Sherpa, stop. They're going to think I'll never feed you. Yeah, thank you very much for them. He, well, I think he likes them, I can't quite tell. Right, calm down, sit down. Sit! Good boy. Right, take a minute, just deep breath.